Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2018 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.